Okay, so this is hilarious. We're at Kroger, and this is what happens when you're absolutely starving with your daughter as your wingman. And we make sandwiches from the meat, boar's head, and I've got blazing buffalo chicken, and she's got, what is it? Chipotle chicken.
I'm still making mine.
And we got Havarti cheese, pepper jack. We got our protein chips because we really don't feel like going out and eating crap. And when I say crap, I mean from anywhere, from any fast food, Subway, junk food, anywhere. So we decided to eat as fresh and as best as we could and made our own. And your salt landed down there. See it?
Oh my goodness.
This is hard to do inside of a Jeep, but it's so well worth it.
It's all fresh and delicious.
Show your sandwich.
I will. Hold on.
I don't know if we can. Let's see if I can turn this a little. Ah! Yeah, this thing is not as forgiving. There's her sandwich. Making it in the car seat. She's adding a little salt. She's got some chicken, some pepper jack, Havarti, some Colby jack with pepper, jalapeno, mayo, a hoagie roll, little salt, and avocado, fresh avocado.
Avocado is right under the chicken.
Under the chicken?
Let me get the pepper too.
And show your brand new chips that you found, the Takis. We're going to see how these are. Very nice.
Yum. Should go on Ron's channel.
The ultimate DIYer.
The DIY fresh food.
Yep. This is how we do.
All right, ready?
All right.
I don't know if it'll fold.
Stop to fold it. Know when to fold. Just kidding.
Oh my goodness, it's
Know
so...
when to walk away.
Wow.
Look at that bad boy. It's probably less expensive than any place we could have gone. And fresh, we ain't playing.
No, my cheese.
This has to do with our health and our livelihood. Inflation is outrageous, so for us,
Wow.
and here's mine on one of the rolls that are 3 for $1. My avocado, my Havarti dill, and my blazing buffalo boar's head. So good.
The cheese is so soft.
My protein spicy Kylo, the best.
They're so good.
And we're literally, yep.
Woohoo! Probably
We're literally sitting in a Jeep Wrangler in the Kroger parking lot, shoving our face. My wingman, my little girl, my Mother's Day lunch, so to speak. Anyway,
It's so good.
missing my mom. We miss Jeter, don't we? Love you, Jeter. Eventually, she'll be here.
You want to do this? Oh, my mouth. What do I
No, it is so good. So fresh. Tons of protein.
mix the chip in the sandwich. And then sandwich.
So good.
No, drink.
So good.
10 for 10.
10 for 10. No sugar. Probably not the best for you, but hey,
This is the
it beats
flavor.
a cup of sugar.
This one's coconut pineapple. It's a new one that we've never tried, so let's try it.
And then, of course, me,
Oh wow!
I have
That's so
my unsweetened iced green tea from Starbucks. Like their unsweetened green tea. I also like their decaffeinated unsweetened passion iced tea as well.
good. Wow.
So good. I don't know if we could have done any better.
So good. Wow. This is delicious. It's so good. No, it's on the back.
Anyway, we're gonna enjoy our lunch. All you mommies out there, enjoy yours. Have a happy Mother's Day from the ultimate DIYer and his wife and daughter. Peace.
Bye, y'all.